Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our first visual art lesson on video. It's a pleasure to be here recording this video today. I want to say, students, that you've been doing extremely well with your art. You are so creative, so artistic, and I can tell that a lot of you have been having fun. I enjoy seeing your pictures, and I want to tell you, keep it up. Last week, we looked at the color wheel. How many colors did the color wheel that we looked at last week have? Yes, there were 6 colors on the color wheel. Now, these 6 colors could be broken down into 2 groups. The first group that we placed and the second group that we placed. The first group of colors that we placed were called the primary colors. And the second group of colors that we placed, what were they called? The secondary colors. So here I have a color wheel. And we can see our primary colors. What were they? Blue, yellow, and red. These were our primary colors, and you would have put those on your color wheel first, leaving space in between. Then, if you were to take yellow and blue and mix them, you would create the color that comes between them, which is green. If you were to take yellow and red and mix them, you would create the color between, which is orange. And if you were to take red and blue, you would create the color purple. So purple, orange, and green are our secondary colors. I like to think of it as how you go to school. When you go to school, you enter primary school first, infant and primary. So our primary colors, they come first. Then after you write common entrance, you go to secondary school. So our secondary colors, they come second when you mix our primary colors. Another way we can split the color wheel is in half. So if I am to take my ruler and I place it right down the middle of our color wheel, I will get 2 groups of colors. On this side, we have yellow, orange, and red. And on that side, we have green, blue, and purple. The colors on this side are very bright. They are vibrant. They are energetic. When I look at them, I feel hot. I think of the sun. I think of fire. These colors are called the warm colors. What are they called, students? They are called the warm colors. So they're warm. On this side, when I look at these colors, green, blue, and purple, I think of trees. I think of water. I think of nighttime. These colors are not as energetic, they're not as bright, they look calm, they look relaxing, they look cool, they look cold. These colors are called the cool colors. So green, blue, and purple are our cool colors, and yellow, orange, and red are our warm colors. So today, we're going to do an activity using our cool and our warm colors. Now, I know that you guys are masters at drawing your hands. So our activity today will involve you drawing your hands. We are also going to use the ruler to form a grid. A grid is when you have squares or boxes next to each other. So we're going to draw our hand, then draw a grid over our hand, and then we are going to use our warm and cool colors to color our hand and the grid. So here I have a picture to show you of what our project will be today, and this is it. So here you see our grid, which are the boxes next to each other. And then we have the hand. So Look at our drawing. Which group of colors did I use to color the hand? Are these colors the warm colors or are these colors the cool colors? Yes, these colors are the cool colors. We see blue, we see green, we see purple. These are our cool colors. So obviously the grid, which color scheme did I use? The warm. So these are our warm colors in the grid behind the hand. So this is what you are going to do today. You are going to draw your hands, create your grid, and use the warm and the cool colors to color them. You can choose to do the opposite, where you use the warm colors in your hand and the cool colors as your background. It is up to you. But you should only have one group of colors for the hand and one group of colors for the background. I don't want to see you mixing your warm and your cool colors. Warm for one and cool for the other. Okay? So this is what we're going to create today. I hope that you enjoy and you have fun. Remember, students, when you are coloring, as much as possible, try to stay inside the lines. Also, try not to leave any white patches or white spaces in your work. We want your colors to be bright and popping. We don't want to see the paper underneath your coloring. Okay? So I would like for you to enjoy, have fun, and create. I can't wait to see the pictures that you will be sending me of your work. I look forward to it, and I will see you again. Miss Lewis saying goodbye.